As there will be a complete change at this point, on behalf of Ethiopian Airlines, a member of Star Alliance, Captain Stefan, and the entire crew, I would like to say goodbye to all our passengers, Cloud9, Shaboman's Platinum, and Star Alliance board members who will disembark at this station, hoping that you have had an enjoyable flight with us today, and we look forward to seeing you on board Ethiopian flights again. If you require any assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers are deployed. One of our crew members will then be pleased to assist you. All transit passengers continuing your journey with us are kindly requested to remain in your originally assigned seats to facilitate boarding of joining passengers. Our ground time here will be approximately an hour. Thank you.